MANATO from befirst has a track. Rain on Me. Okay, this is a special video. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right.
I know, baby girl, we're just talking, but it doesn't change anything. 意味を求めすぎて身勝手に降り止まないし続く遠のいてく背中に傘をさせずいた Rain on me 最後に何も言わずに baby 君はうつむいたまま Rain on me 確かに笑っていたあの日 Now we gotta keep our distance
Woo!
今さらさ
Great vocals.
戻れない We know there is no tomorrow
Oh.
近づく It's time to say goodbye 少しだけ冷えた朝
That was probably my favorite bit of the song. Yeah, that was such a good choice.
We know there is no tomorrow
Oh, and then the bass too going down. That was such a good choice.
It's time to say goodbye 少しだけ冷えた朝 I know baby girl we just chasing But it doesn't change anything 君にも止めすぎて身勝手に振り回す僕から遠のいてく背中に僕も背を向けた Rain on me 最後に何も言わずに baby 君はうつむいたまま Rain on me 確かに笑っていたあの日 Now we gotta keep our distance
Go in,
You
bro.
feel me, baby? You feel me, baby?
What the hell?
I don't want nothing with me.
Oh.
Nothing. Rain on me, baby. Just rain on me.
Bro got the ad libs, bro. Bro got the ad libs. Yo.
I don't want nothing with me. It's nothing. Rain on me, baby. Just rain on me. It's rain on me. Rain on me.
That was some great music. That was some great love song, man. Heartbreak song. Nah. Yep, this is 2000s R&B, 1990s R&B. Yeah. I would say this is something that da, 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 da.
Rain on me, baby. Just rain on me. It's rain on me. Rain on me.
Wait a minute. Who would sing like that? I'm trying to think who in the 1990s would sing like this. Da, 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 da. Boys to Men? I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think like who would sound like this. Chris Brown? Like who would do something like in the 90s, early in the 90s, not now, right? Yeah, it sounds like such a classic R&B song. So good. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. I love this dark room that doesn't seem to have any form. Shout out to MANATO. That was really well done, really well sung. Enjoyed it. Arigato. That was so good.